Hi. In this video, I will walk you through how to create an estimate within the Accurants software suite. Once you have logged in, you will be at the screen, and depending on the level and the modules that you have access to, you may see one or more icons when you log in. There are two ways of getting to the Add Estimate page, and one of the quickest ways is to click on the Quick Add menu, which is on the top right-hand corner, and then you can go ahead and click on the Add New Estimate, which is under the Invoices section. Alternately, you could also go to the Invoices module, and within the Invoices module on the left menu there is a section for estimates. So this is the place where all the estimates that you have created are listed with their statuses. They could be draft, they could be pending, they have been paid, or they have been converted. All those statuses do show up here. Once you are at this page, whether you go to the Quick Add menu and click on the estimate, or when you come here and do the Add New, they go to the same page of creating new estimate. Once you are at the estimate page, go ahead and select the contact or the customer to who you are planning to send an estimate. You could change the caption of the estimate. That means the title that shows up whether you want to call the estimate, also known as quote, also known as quotation or proposal. Make sure that the date and the expiration date and the statuses are correct, and once you have selected the contact or customer based on the address you have and the information that you have, it gets populated. And then in the items section you will be selecting what are the different items that you have, which is what you are going to be sending an estimate for. So you could add multiple items and then go ahead and create your estimate for, and this is the place where you can change the quantity, and then you can change the price, and then if you need to add any discounts you can go ahead and add your discounts. If you need to attach any documentation for your estimate, you can go ahead and do so. If you have any comments saying such as "thank you for giving us the opportunity," you can go ahead and include that. And once you have input all the information, make sure to click Save, and it will show a message saying that the estimate has been saved successfully. It will bring you back to the Manage Estimates page, and if you need to review the estimate, make sure that you can click on the icon such that will do the preview for you, or you can do an export to PDF once I click on the icon. Then please note that this will go on to a separate tab, and that tab will show you the estimate that you created. You can do an export to PDF, Word, or Excel, and then you can also click on Email and go ahead and email the estimate. But the other places you could also go is to click on here, and this will pop open, sending the same estimate to be emailed, and you can change the two. And then if you are trying to copy and you can add a message, you can always copy an estimate. You can edit, and you can also convert an estimate to an invoice by just clicking this button, and that way you don't have to enter all the same items detail from an estimate into an invoice. Thank you.